What was mentioned about the scammers being in a very sophisticated phase is because they process information. I guarantee, Mr. Speaker, that there's no one in this house who has never been scammed. But the issue, Mr. Speaker, is ourselves at the first line of defense. Meaning, if we don't recognize the number, don't answer. First thing, but I also want to admit that what the Honourable Member said is true. Our problems sometimes involve our rural voters and sometimes the senior citizen. Yes, there's sometimes, Mr. Speaker, even I, when hearing a voice that sounds exactly like the PDRM or a magistrate, telling me that action is going to be taken against me, that I will be declared bankrupt and so on. So usually, we must be the first line of defense. However, the Honourable Minister responsible for the creation of the Digital Ministry, a new ministry, will provide a written reply regarding the proactive measures that will be taken by them.